Welcome to the channel. Today, I'll walk you through the process of downloading Pizza Tower on your PC. But before we continue, check the description for links to gaming mouse and keyboard options if you're interested. Now, let's get started. First, make sure you have Steam installed on your computer. Steam is a well-known gaming platform with a vast library of games. If you haven't installed it yet, visit the official Steam website via your browser. Click the Install Steam button in the upper right corner and follow the instructions to install the Steam client. Once Steam is installed, open the application. If you don't have a Steam account, you'll need to create one. Click Create a free account and provide your email address and a strong password. After setting up your account, log into the Steam interface. Next, find the search bar in the top right corner. Click it and type Pizza Tower. The game should show up in the search results. Click on its name to view the store page for more details. To buy the game, click the green Add to Cart button. After purchasing, go to the Library tab at the top. You'll see Pizza Tower listed among your games. Click on it to open its library page, and then press the Install button. A window will pop up asking where you want to install the game. Choose your preferred location and click Next. The download will start automatically. Once the download is finished, a Play button will appear in your library. Click it to start Pizza Tower. That's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. Bye-bye.